Hello students, today we'll learn about the evolution of computers. So, the term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate, but a computer is not only limited to perform only calculations. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. Okay, so we'll now see about the history of computer. The need to keep a track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices, right from abacus, the first counting device. So many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. So learn about the computing devices. 3000 BC abacus. So it was the first mechanical device for calculations which was developed in China. It is made up of wooden frame. See this wooden frame with rods, each having bits. So you can see this is a rod which each of them are having bits. Okay, so this frame is divided into two parts, that is heaven and earth. So each rod in heaven has two bits. You can see that two bits. Okay, and each rod in earth has 5 beads. So you see here 1 2 3 4 5. In each rod there is 5 beads, and this device was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now next is Pascal adding machine. So it was invented by Blaise Pascal, who was a French mathematician. Okay, and he invented this machine in the year 1642. This machine used gears, wheels and dials. And here numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. And thus the gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. So one of the perfect example of this mechanical calculator was a taximeter. Now next is Leibniz calculator. So Leibniz, he improved on Pascal machines in 1671, and this calculator could even do multiplication, division, and it could even find the square roots along with this addition and subtraction. Okay, so next is Charles Babbage. So Charles Babbage, he was a British mathematician, and he is considered as the father of computer. And he invented difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine had 5 units, that is input, output, store, mill and control. Okay, and this unit worked like the modern computer. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. So now next is George Boole. He solved mathematical problems with the binary system. Okay, that is 0 and 1. Okay, and this system, also known as the Boolean logic, became the fundamental principle for design of computer circuits. So now the first general purpose electronic digital computer was invented by John Macaulay and J. Presper Eckert in 1946, which is also known as ENIAC. The full form is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, and it could add two large numbers in 200 microseconds. Okay, after this there is UNIAC first. It is Universal Automatic Computer, means it is the world's first commercially available computer, which was designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Macaulay in 1951. Okay, and this computer could handle both text as well as numeric data. Okay, and it used buffer memory. So now we will see the different types of computer. So the first one is microcomputer. So the microcomputer are small in size and it costs less, and these computers are designed for personal use. It is used in office, homes, shops, banks, etc. One of the example of this microcomputer is IBM PC. Now next is desktop computer. So this is designed to fit comfortably on the top of the desk. It comes with several units like monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Okay, and the third one is laptop computers. So these computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. Okay, it is battery operated and this is portable. Portable means which can be moved from one place to another, means which is easy to carry. Okay, thank you.